it is mind-blowing. I need videos for my gig videos on Fiverr. So I need to also record it to my services. So I just services on Fiverr that include video editing and that kind of services. So I just asked him there. I want to make Fiverr gig video about video editing service. Make me a text that I can record for video. So that was some. He just created in a second. And then I just asked him, it's too long, that I will be in 1 minute. That it's a grammatical mistake, but he understood my voice. So he again beautifully created just that thing. So it is impressed. Wow. So I'm ready to just there. I almost tried one time. I need to again record. So it is, you don't need to just writing a script then record. So again, I just tell him something like just what kind of service best sell on Fiverr in videos. Yes, no, something a mistake. Categories. So just it's what? Wow. Something popular services in video category and video include video editing and post-production, animation and explain video, intro and outro. It just create 10 things. So it is really impressed. So it is actually mind-blowing. ChatGPT. So it is chat OpenAI. You can try it. It is really awesome.